Hello, and welcome to Daily English Plus channel. I'm your host, Jessica, and today we will talk about something that almost everyone does, even if we don't want to admit it. Yes, I'm talking about procrastination. We all know this word. Maybe you have homework to do, but you decide to watch one more YouTube video first. Or you need to clean your room, but somehow you start scrolling on your phone. That's procrastination. In this episode, we will answer 3 big questions. 1, what is procrastination? 2, why do we do it? 3, actually, can we stop it? Or at least do it less. So let's get started. What is procrastination? Procrastination means delaying something you need to do. It's when you say, I'll do it later, even if you have time to do it now. It's not the same as relaxing after finishing your work. It's when you avoid starting the work at all, often by doing something easier or more fun. Let's imagine this. You have an essay to write for school. It's due tomorrow. You sit down at your desk, you open your laptop, and then you think, maybe I should make a cup of tea first. Then you remember you need to answer a message. Then you watch a video. Suddenly, 2 hours are gone, and the essay is still waiting. That's procrastination. It's not only students who procrastinate, adults do it too. They might delay paying bills, answering emails, or starting big projects at work. Procrastination can make us feel bad. We feel guilty, stressed, or anxious. But we still do it. Why? Why do we procrastinate? There are many reasons, and they are not always simple. 1, we want comfort, not discomfort. Our brains like comfort. If something feels boring, difficult, or scary, we want to avoid it. Starting a big project feels uncomfortable, so our brain says, let's do something easier. 2, we overestimate future motivation. We think, I will feel more motivated later. But the truth is, later we will probably feel the same or even less motivated. 3, we are perfectionists. Some people delay tasks because they want them to be perfect. They are afraid to start because they think, what if it's not good enough? So they wait and wait. 4, we don't have clear plans. If you don't know exactly what to do first, it's easy to waste time. When the task feels big and unclear, we delay it. 5, we are distracted. Phones, social media, TV, friends. The world is full of distractions. They give us quick happiness, while work feels slow and hard. Scientists say procrastination is connected to how our brain works. There are 2 important parts to think about. The limbic system, the part that wants quick pleasure, then prefrontal cortex, the part that helps us plan and control ourselves. When we procrastinate, the limbic system wins. It says, check your messages, watch a video, eat a snack. The prefrontal cortex, which says, do your work first, is quieter. That's why procrastination is not just about being lazy. It's a real fight inside our brain between short-term pleasure and long-term goals. Types of procrastinators. Not all procrastinators are the same. Here are 3 common types. 1, thing thrill seeker. These people wait until the last minute because they enjoy the pressure. They think they work better with deadlines. 2, the avoider. They delay tasks because they are afraid of failure, or sometimes success. They don't want to be judged. 3, the indecisive. They can't decide what to do first, so they do nothing. Which one are you? Maybe a mix of all 3? How to beat procrastination. Now, the big question. How can we stop procrastinating? Here are some tips. 1, break tasks into smaller steps. Instead of write an essay, say, write the introduction. Small steps feel easier to start. 2, Use the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Answer that email. Wash that cup. 3. Remove distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone in another room, make your workspace clean. 4. Set a timer. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro technique. 5. Reward yourself. After finishing a task, give yourself a small reward, a snack, a short walk, a video. 6. Start before you feel ready. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. So, to sum up, procrastination is something we all do. It's not about laziness. It's about how our brain works. We do it because we want comfort, we fear failure, or we lack clear plans. But with small steps, less distraction, and a little self-kindness, we can beat it.